Hello guys, in this video lecture we'll try some simple Python commands. By starting the interpreter here, open up the terminal and write Python 3.7, or you can use just Python according to you to open the interpreter. So the interpreter acts as a simple calculator. You can type an expression at it and it will write the value. If we write 4 here, which is a numeric value, or we can say an integer value, it gives the result back as 4. If we write 2 plus 2 or addition, it will give 4 as well, just like a calculator. We can also write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6, it will give 16. We can add as many values as we can, an integer value or either it's a fractional value or decimal value. We can also use this expression inside the print statement as it is. Inside 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 will give the same output. Let's check it for the subtraction. If we write 50 minus 10, it will give 40 as expected. If we check for multiplication, 5 multiplied by 10 will give 50 as expected. Now let's check for division. 8 divided by 5 will give 1.6. All of the above, like 4 here, 16 and 40, have type integer. We can write type here, and inside that we can write 4 here. It will give a class of int type. And if we write type of 8 divided by 5 here, it will give a float type of class of float type. So the one with the fractional part here, 1.6, have type float. Remember, division always returns a floating point number. To do float division and get an integer result, we can use double slash operator or double division operator. So if we write 17 divided by 3, it will give floating point number of 5.666. but what we only need an integer value, so we can use double slash operator and divide it with 3, it will give 5 only. So float division discards the fractional part here. So with Python, it is possible to use double asterisk operator or raised to the power operator to calculate powers. So let's take an example here. If we write 5 multiplied, not multiply, we can write asterisk 2 times and then write 2. What it means is we are checking the expression 5 raised to the power 2 becomes 25, and 2 double asterisk 7 will becomes 128. That means we are calculating the 2 raised to the power 7 will give 128. So consider what happens if we use quote marks around an integer. First of all, we'll check for 19 here, it will give the same output. What if we use 19 inside the double inverted comma? What we'll give is 19, and the single, we can also write single inverted comma in 19. It will give the same output as we have with double inverted comma. So this is an example of string value, as this is giving the quote after that, single quote as an output. A string is a sequence of characters. We'll talk about strings in upcoming video lectures. We can also write inside that Fred. It will give the single inverted comma Fred as an output, and we can also write Fred here as well and give the same output. So Python recognizes both single quotes and double quotes as valid ways to delimit a string value. It is incorrect if we write single comma A, B, C and end it with double inverted comma. It will give error. See, it is giving syntax error, checking end of line while scanning string literal. We cannot be able to do that. Either what we started is will end with that same thing, or if we start with single quote, we need to end it with single quote. If we started with say double quotes, we need to end it with double quotes. So I hope you guys get the basic understanding of how Python interpreter works and how can we use Python as a calculator. Actually, Python can do much more than that we will cover in this series of Learn Python 3.7 the easy way. Guys, please do subscribe my channel and share my videos. So see you guys in the next video lecture.